welcome to Maths Academy. In this session, we are going to start the remaining part of the practice set 1.3, that is question number 7, 8, 9. Okay, 7 and 8. Okay, so let's go towards the question number 7. What is given in the question number 7? Here you have given that the quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram and there is a point E on side BC. There is a parallelogram like this. This is the A, B, C, D, and towards the side of BC there is a point E. This is point E. And further you have given that line D intersect AB at point T. This is given to you. If you extend this line AB like this, then the line segment DE intersects AB at point T. Okay, so here this is given to you that AB intersects DE at point T. So this is the given part. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove here DE multiplied by BE is equal to CE multiplied by TE. This is the result that we have to prove. Okay, so let's go towards the proof part. Now how will you prove this proof? For proving this result, what we have to show here, D multiplied by B is equal to C multiplied by TE. DE multiplied by BE is equal to CE multiplied by TE. If you observe carefully, then DE and CE are the sides of the triangle CED, and BE and TE are the sides of the triangle BET. So what will we do? We will prove that the triangle BET and triangle CED are similar to each other. What will happen by this? If you prove that triangle CED is similar to triangle, if this happens, if triangle CED is similar to triangle BET, then what will happen? The ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal. That is DE or ED upon ET or TE is equals to CE upon BE. Okay, this ratio will be equal, and by the CE upon BE. Okay, this ratio will be equal, and by the cross multiplication you will get the required result that ED multiplied by BE is equals to TE multiplied by CE. So to obtain this result, first we have to obtain this ratio. Okay, if you get this ratio, for getting this ratio, you have to prove this, that the triangle CD and triangle BET are similar to each other. In triangle, first triangle CED and triangle BET. CED and BET. See here, angle BET and angle CED are the vertically opposite angles, and we know that the vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. Okay, so angle BET is equals to angle CED. We will write here as vertically opposite angles. Now observe carefully that the quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, and we know that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel to each other. That is, AB is parallel to CD. Now if AB is parallel to CD, and then this DT is a transversal. Okay, then this DT is a transversal. If this DT is a transversal, it is like this. This is AB, this is CD, and this is the transversal. Here is point A, here is point B, okay, and here is point D, and somewhere here is the point T. Okay, now if this is the transversal, then the angle from here and here are equal. By which property? Yes, by the property of alternate angle test. They are the alternate angles formed by the parallel line AB and CD and DT as a transversal. So therefore, these two angles are congruent. Which two angles are these? It is this angle and this angle. These two are alternate angle test. So we will write it here as AB parallel to CD. Since ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. And DT is a transversal. Transversal. Therefore, angle CDE is equal to angle BTE. Angle BTE. Okay. Alternate angle test. By alternate angle test. Okay. So therefore, this is the first result. We will label this as first result. This is the second result. So therefore, from 1 and 2, triangle CED is similar to triangle BET by AA test of similarity. Is it okay? So therefore, the two triangles are similar by AA test of triangle similarity. And as I have told you earlier, that we have to show that the two triangles are similar, and that we have shown. If the triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. So we will write it here that CE upon BE is equals to ED upon ET. ED upon ET. Corresponding sides of similar triangles, and therefore by the cross multiplication we will get here CE multiplied by ET is equals to BE multiplied by ED or DE, and hence the result. So student, now let's go towards our next example, example number 8. What is given in our 8th example? We have given that the triangles like this. Here you have given that segment AC intersects segment BD. Segment AC intersects segment BD in point P. In point P. Here AB is joined and CD is joined. And you have given that the ratio AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Okay, and you have to prove that the two triangles are similar to each other. These two triangles are similar to each other. This you have to show. So let's write the given here first. What you have given? Segment AC and segment BD intersect in point, intersect each other in point P. Okay, this is given. Also you have given that the ratio AP upon CP is equals to BP upon DP. This is the given part. And what is to prove here? What we have to prove? We have to prove that the triangle ABP, this is ABP, is similar to triangle CDP. ABP is similar to CDP. This you have to show. So let's write with the proof. Now, to show that the triangles are similar to each other, we have three different criteria by using A test of similarity, by using SSS test of similarity, or by using SAS test of similarity. Among these three tests, here you can apply any one of this, but which you are going to apply here? Here you have given that the ratio of two sides are equal, and which they are, that is AP upon CP is equal to BP upon PD. That is, the ratio of these two sides are equal. Now what is remain if two sides are given? If one of the angle in between that two sides, that is the included angle, if the included angles are equal, then the triangles will be similar to each other by SAS test of similarity. Now which is the included angle here? Here the included angle is angle APB and angle CPD. Okay, by using vertically opposite angle test, these two angles are going to be equal. Therefore, the sides are already given. Angle is going to be equal by using the vertically opposite angle test. Therefore, the two triangles are similar to each other by SAS test of similarity. So, let's write in triangle ABP and triangle CDP. What do you have given? AP upon CP is equals to BP upon DP. This is given. And angle APB is equals to angle CPD, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP by SAS test of similarity. Now after this is your 8th example. Let's go towards the 9th example. This is our 9th example, in which you have given that there is a triangle ABC in which point D is on side BC such that angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. These two angles, angle BAC equal to ADC, this is given to you. Okay, now you have to prove that CA square is equal to CB multiplied by CD. This result you have to prove. Now as we use the concept in the previous example, that is in the 8th example, the same concept we have to use here. Here what we have to prove? We have to prove that CA square is equal to CB multiplied by CD. For proving this result, we will prove that CA multiplied by CA is equal to CB multiplied by CD. And to obtain this result, we need to prove that CA upon CB is equal to CA upon CD. When this happens, when these two ratios, CD upon CA. When this happens, when these two ratios will be equal, these ratios will be equal if any of the two triangles among these three triangles are similar. But which two triangles you have to consider? For that you have to see the CA, CB, CD, CA, these sides. To which triangle consists of these three sides. Now see here, this is a triangle ABC. ABC has the side CA. ABC has the side CB. Okay. Then CD is the side of the triangle ACD. CA is the side of the triangle ACD. So we have to consider the one bigger triangle ABC and other triangle ADC you have to consider. So we are going to consider here in triangle ABC and triangle DAC. We are going to consider ABC and DAC. Now what will we do? We will show that for proving this result, we have to show that these two triangles are similar to each other. What we have to prove? We have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC. So we have to proceed towards this result. If you got this result, then you will get this one. After getting this, you will get this result, and by default you will get this result. Okay, so now what will we do? We will separate these two triangles and write them in proper one-to-one correspondence. First we will write this triangle ADC, which is the smaller triangle. It is like this, ADC, and bigger triangle I am going to draw like this. Here is the point B because D corresponds with B. So here is the point B, and this is C, common point, common angle of both the triangle, and this is point A. So this is the A angle. A and D are equal. So one-to-one correspondence is like that. ABC, DAC, one-to-one correspondence. A corresponds to D, B corresponds to A, C corresponds to C. Okay. Now in these two triangles, what we have to consider, which angles you have to consider? See here, we have given that angle ADC is similar equal to angle BAC. You have given BAC is equal to ADC, and this angle C is common in both the triangle ABC as well as ADC. Therefore, the two triangles are going to be similar by a test of similarity, and that is we are going to write here. In triangle ABC and angle DAC, and the triangle DAC, angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. This is given. And angle, now proper angle should be there, proper one to one correspond. Angle ACD is equal to angle BCA, common angle. Okay. Now therefore the triangle ABC is equal to triangle DAC by a test of similarity. Now as the two triangles are similar, therefore the ratio of their corresponding sides, that is AC upon DC, is equal to BC upon AC. Now by the cross multiplication you will get here AC multiplied by AC is equal to CD multiplied by BC or CB. AC multiplied by AC means AC square is equal to CD multiplied by BC, which is the required result of the example 9. So the student, I hope you have clear with all the examples of practice set 1.3. Now in my next video we are going to start with the ratio of areas of similar triangle. Thank you.